Good morning, class 9th students. This is the third video of chapter number 1 of economics. In this video, we will talk about the condition of laborers in village Palampur and how they are managing agricultural activities in the village. As you know, Palampur is a village where poverty is rampant. Majority of the farmers are poor and many of them are landless, and at the same time maximum of them are Dalits also. So this is a major problem of the village, and many of them are hardly having any government facilities available there, and because of poor infrastructure, because of absence of bank facilities, you'll find out that's why farmers are poor in village Palampur, and that's why only few are having the large piece of land and they are rich, and majority of the resident of the village are poor because of absence of any government facilities and absence of bank facilities. So if no bank is there, as you know, agriculture is nowadays becoming costly because you need money for seeds, you need money for tractors, you need money for tubewells to purchase insecticides, fertilizers, etc. So agriculture is very costly things. You need lakhs of rupees to cultivate on small pieces of land, and that's why banks are required. But unfortunately, no bank facility is available in village Palampur, and that is right about maximum villages of India also. That no banks are there. Banks will find out only in city areas only. This is very sad situation in India, and that's why farmers are unable to take loans or money in advance so that they can carry out agriculture. But they need money to carry agriculture, and for that what they will do, they are forced to go to money lenders, sahukar, and these money lenders, they are not bound by any rules and regulations. They are operating illegally in the numerous Indian villages, and they are taking the advantage of absence of banks in the villages. So what these money lenders are doing, they'll give the loan but at very high rate of interest without any proper paperwork and etc. And you must have seen in various movies also that once you have taken loan from a money lender, you will permanently lose your lands. And in many cases, even after the father, the children are forced to pay the loan. So this is and that's why these money lenders are further another instrument for making majority of the farmers more poor in the villages. This is another problem. But there are certain farmers who are able to managing from their savings, but their conditions are not that much good. Moving to the next topic. Now whatever they produced in the field, what they will do? So you'll find out small farmers hardly have any extra or surplus food. Whatever they will have, it will be finished in their families only. That's why they remain poor. But those who are medium or especially the large farmers, they have small families, they have large piece of land, so they will cultivate a lot of crops, and that's why they are able to sell those extra crops in the market, and at the same time they will make money also. कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं, लाइक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ तेजपाल, जो एक बहुत बड़ा ही जो मनी लेंडर भी है, एक बहुत बड़ा ज़मींदार भी है, इट इज़ लार्ज पीस ऑफ लैंड, और इसलिए एक छोटी फैमिली है, बड़ी ज़मीन है, तो नेचुरली ही विल हैव लॉट्स ऑफ क्रॉप्स एंड दैट ही विल सेल इन द मार्केट, और बदले में क्या फ़ायदा है, उसका बैंक बैलेंस भी बढ़ता जा रहा है, एंड एट द सेम टाइम ही विल इन्वेस्ट इन द परचेज ऑफ ट्रैक्टर्स एंड अदर things which are needed in agriculture. So this is the video of study. In the last video we will talk about non-farming activities in village Palampur. Thank you.